Hi, I am Kira and I'm a little bit nervous about filming this video because everyone has their own insecurities. One of my huge insecurities is my skin. So this is a video starting off fresh-faced, no makeup, because I'm going to trial a makeup product. Okay, anyway, hi, I'm Kira. This is me. This is me! A while ago on Instagram, I was feeling myself and I'd just been paid and I decided to buy anything that I saw. One of the things I saw was this foundation that suits every skin color. It comes out as white, but then when you start blending it in, it starts blending to your skin. And I was shook, so it's dirty, don't judge. There's a few different brands. This foundation is called Yen's Body. And when I bought them, they sent an email straight away saying, thank you so much for purchasing. We can't wait for you to try our product, blah, blah, blah. And then I emailed them a few times after that being like, where is it? Still waiting. Anyway, finally got it. And it comes looking real expensive. So, here we go. I haven't even opened this yet. Oh! Color changing and adjusting naked foundation. SPF 15, which I found out since watching Queer Eye. Thank you, Jonathan. Sunscreen is really important. Things with high SPF save your skin a lot of damage, which makes you look younger and fresh and plump and moist. We love all of that. Alright, so this is TLM. It's not what it said on the website when I bought it. Always prime first. I read that somewhere. I don't know. My skin's been quite bad. And it gets bad once a month, if you know what I'm saying, ladies. This is my trouble area. So I teamed up with Real You Skincare, who has been taking care of me acne spots. This is what I looked like a week ago. And this is what I look like now. Plus eating kind of, well, and drinking tons of water. But I've been using my Real You Skincare spot treatment, which gets rid of my little nasties. So, teaming up with Real You Skincare to give away one of these. One of the reasons I'm doing this is because I got told recently that it was hard to relate to me because I was too perfect. Thank you. As an artist, as a musician, as a human, connecting is the thing that I want to do. And being told that it's hard to connect to me because of the way that people perceive me. And maybe it's because of the way that I let people perceive me. So this is it. Always prime first. I'm using it, I don't know what this is. It's old. Okay, here we go. I've seen people squeeze it on there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And just put it on. Nothing's happening. Oh, it's kind of happening. Doing videos like this are really hard because you just have to talk to yourself and have no shame. For those wondering what brush I'm using the one in the Sephora pack when there was many brushes for less money. There was a big pack that I got. A lot of brushes I still haven't opened, even though I got it months ago, because I don't know what it's all for. It's not really the desired effect. Just gonna have to contour that bad boy. Bloody hell. This is my MAC foundation that I've had for the last 3 years, and I will not throw it until it's done. Oh, sometimes, you know, the fall off when you're doing your eyeshadow, it'll fall onto the rest of your face. So do your eyeshadow first and then your foundation after. I don't know. You gotta get it from the lid. Come on. While I wait for this to sink. Also, stop looking at my eyebrow. I'm trying to grow them out and they're connecting. So if you know anyone that can help a sister out and make me go Bruce to Caitlin, hit me up. There's different brushes you can use for top and bottom, but to me, that sounds like more money. Ah! It's fine. That's why you have 2 eyes, right? Oh, Lord. This one is meant to be for your crease, which is wherever the bone in your eye isn't. There's my bone, meaning my crease is like right there. Different brushes for each color, or so I heard. I'm just gonna go for a subtle brunch look, because that's the only look I know how to do. I'm meant to do it in circles. Whatever's gonna get it on there quicker. Maybe just a dark, little even darker one in the corners. Give it a bit of a nice. I'm not a huge eyeliner fan, so I use this tiny little one. Oh yeah, crispy. Don't look too close because it's not crispy. Don't judge my mascara face, okay? Everyone has one. If you try to do mascara like this, don't get all the bits that you need to get. Everyone's like, your eyelashes are so long and beautiful, but they are a terror when you're trying to put mascara on because you get it, you know. I have to set aside a long time to do my makeup, not because I know what I'm doing, but to clean up my mistakes. I think I saw Jonathan from Queer Eye use one like this. Soul Sisters. She's back. Don't look like a fat Asian with hair extensions any longer.
Fat Asian with hair extensions.
Half time. Oh! Goji berry and coconut bickies. They're a bit bougie, but they're so good. With camembert and quince paste. Don't at me. Quince paste is the bomb. Yum, 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 yum. Oh! Where did this come from? You always need enough sustenance. So I put the lighter stuff around my eyes to kind of make them pop, I guess. Really, make sure you blend this. I see too many people with the line here. Embarrassing. Ooh. Bronzer. This isn't even the right color for me. It was just for free. My friend brought it home from a thing that she went to and she grabbed all the darkest colors there. And this is the darkest color. This is the darkest color of your free samples. Check yourself, because there are people darker than this, okay? Anyway, very grateful because it's for free. Been using it for the last year. Oh yeah. All the way to the hairline. Oh. Hold down the fuzzies, of which I have many. I don't know, but I use this to like do a once over everywhere, and then when I get like other colors, I'll put them just here because I've got quite a round face and apparently it like shapes my face. Other darker colors here. Makeup tips with Kira. This is also called a terracotta bronze. I'll mix boop boop together and just make it clean. Too much. Oh yep, so there it is, too much. Blend that bad boy. Oh no, my fuzzies! Fuzzies are coming out. Look at the tan on my knuckles. Shame. And the little bits here to sculpt my round face. Sure. That profile I just showed you, I hate. Thanks, mummy. Hers is beautiful though. With contouring, this is the darkest one. Apparently you're only meant to just do a little whoo. Some people like, but for my subtle brunch look today, apparently you don't need to do this either. Highlighter, got this 4 years ago. Outmost point of your cheekbones. From that angle, I look chiseled. Here. And all the points that stick out and the sun is going to catch, so you shine bright like a diamond. Eyebrows. In my case, eyebrow. I don't even have an eyebrow bloody thing. When I'm desperate, every time I use eyeshadow. What's perfect about that? Train your eyebrows to go a certain way. You'd think I trained my eyebrows to go across here. And just fill in what's already there. My eyebrows are right there. Right there. I'm using eyeshadow. If you're judging me, this is a safe space. Besides this, what else do I need? Lips, I guess. The lip color I use is called Nude B, and that's all I can tell you because That's all I can read. I don't waste. No, I don't. And this fits really well in your wallets. You're welcome. My lips are uneven too, which I hate. So I overdraw one side to match the other side. Is that perfect? Yeah. Very passionate. Still have snacks in my teeth. Anyway, this is more of what you see. This is more of what you see in my videos and my photos. It doesn't start like this. It takes a long time. I've been filming for 35 minutes. This is quick. If I've got time, I'll take time because I need it. Thank you for watching the whole thing because I'm a big idiot. And I love being a big idiot. If you're also a big idiot, put up a video of you in your story or your on your feed and hashtag I'm a big idiot and tag me in it or send me videos, and the winner of the biggest idiot will get one of these. Brought to you by Real You Skincare. Some spot treatment that's going to help get rid of your acne scarring, which has really helped me, which I love to use and I use twice a day. So please, if you are also a big clown like me, post or send me a video of you being a clown and the biggest idiot will win one of these. And you can have beautiful skin like I do. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I'm on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Spotify, iTunes. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you next time.